7 a.m. Best part of the day in Seaside Heights. That's right. Nobody on the boardwalk but me. Nice and quiet. The way I like it. I like it. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day after some rain about 2 o'clock in the morning. Rain and a windstorm. See how it goes today.
That's Wayne how many nets. Ask Alexis to tell Wayne. Alexis, ask Wayne how many nets. Ask Wayne how many nets. 37. He thinks 23. He thinks 24. Because we did 4 on the last one. It should be an even number. We did 2 on one, we did 4 on one.
What you doing all the way down here, Brat? Get over here, Brat. That's right, it's the new and improved bamboo, all new bamboo here, right here in Seaside Heights. See Snooki drinking nightly at the bamboo. She's drinking for 2 now, you know. So. Oh wait, that'd be wrong, you know. Every which way, huh? Doesn't that look nice and cool and relaxing? What would you want to sit around in one of them tubes? What would you do? Sit in one of them tubes, would you? Nice and relaxing? You, talking to you.
What?
You'd want to sit in one of those tubes.
Yeah.
Think it'll hit 100 today? What do you think, huh? 100, 99, 98?
It's gonna feel like 100.
It's gonna feel like 100. Let's go in this air-conditioned Lucky Leo's.
Oh, look at that.
Lawrence Taylor over here at the sawmill signing autographs. That's what the big line is. Lawrence Taylor, the New York something or other, huh?
I have spoken!
Cloudy out here. What do you think? A little cloudy, huh? Get cloudy out. Yeah, sun going under, yeah. Don't forget, Wednesday, 4th of July, fireworks. Independence Day on Wednesday. First fireworks of the season. What I want. Sweetie Squish. Sour Patch Kids. Push the button. What's it gonna be?
Tom Val It is about Tom. Tom!
that wheel just one peg away and I would have had a box of candy. Ah, just my luck. I get nothing. Nothing.
No, she can't go on that one.
And I can see absolutely nothing. There's Ronnie and Sammy drinking at, what do you call that place? Jimbos. Jimbos, there they are, Ronnie and Sammy. Everywhere she go, it's those wacky kids from the Jersey Shore. I got a request from Bill, you know? You know Bill? Got a request from Bill? You know Bill?
No.
Yeah,
Bill.
I got a request from Bill. He says, show more Ocean Terrace. So I said I will show him some Ocean Terrace.